What is permanent jewellery? Permanent jewellery refers to pieces, typically bracelets, anklets or necklaces that are custom fitted and welded directly onto the wearer without a clasp, creating a seamless and enduring accessory. How is permanent jewellery applied? A professional jeweller measures and fits a chain to the desired body part, then uses a specialised welding tool to securely close the chain's ends, ensuring a comfortable and permanent fit. Is the welding process safe? The welding process is safe. The procedure involves a quick, precise weld that does not touch the skin, ensuring a painless experience. Can permanent jewellery be removed? While designed to be long-lasting, permanent jewellery can be removed if necessary. Simply cut the chain with scissors or wire cutters at the welded spot. Some jewellers offer re-welding services if you wish to reattach it later. What if I need to undergo a medical procedure like an MRI or an X-ray? It's advisable to consult with your healthcare provider, as some medical procedures may require the removal of metal accessories. If removal is necessary, the chain can be cut and later re-welded by a professional. Will permanent jewellery affect airport security screening? Generally, fine jewellery does not need to be removed during airport security checks, so permanent jewellery should not pose an issue. However, policies can vary, so it's always best to check with the relevant authorities. Is permanent jewellery durable? Permanent jewellery is designed for everyday wear and can last for years with proper care. However, like all jewellery, it can be susceptible to damage from excessive force or rough handling. What materials are used in permanent jewellery? High quality materials such as 9-carat gold, sterling silver and gold-filled chains are commonly used, minimising the risk of tarnishing and ensuring durability. Can I customise my permanent jewellery? Many jewellers offer various chain styles, metal types and the option to add charms or other embellishments, allowing for personalisation to suit individual preferences. Who should avoid permanent jewellery? Individuals with metal allergies or those who may need to frequently remove their jewellery for work, sports or medical reasons might find permanent jewellery less suitable. Here at Cooksongold, we can supply you everything you need for your permanent jewellery business.